Sustainability is fast becoming a lever for competitive advantage and market differentiation. And we believe in ecosystems that deliver sustainable customer value. Enterprises that thrive in this new business era are the ones that successfully build ecosystems that enable sustainable business, empower sustainable supply chains, embody sustainable living. Enterprises of the future need collaborative ecosystems that orchestrate new business models while achieving circular goals. Organizations need to build sustainability at the core to manage risk, drive market valuation, capital access, and compliance with sustainability performance reporting. Whether it is through ethical sourcing, circular principles to govern design and product life, or minimize carbon footprint. Hence, the future of manufacturing organizations is in being sustainable by design. Backed by the TCS Neural Manufacturing thought leadership of Sense, Perceive, Act, the Sustainable by Design suite is built for organizations to perceive and act upon events that impact sustainability aspects. TCS helps enable the journey to sustainability through a phased roadmap. Our Sustainable by Design offering is born out of our own sustainability journey and net zero aspirations for 2030. Secure your license to operate and unlock new business potential in a future net zero and circular world with TCS Sustainable by Design.